Hello, today I'm going to show you how to run basic transactions on a Verifone VX 520. I'm going to show you how to run a sale, a void, and a refund, as well as how to power cycle the machine as a basic form of troubleshooting. To run a sale on the VX 520, from your main sale screen, you'll select F2 for sale. You'll enter the amount and hit the green key. Once it asks you to verify the amount, you'll select yes and enter in your card. Once it prompts you to remove card, go ahead and do so. And you can press the green button to bypass the return terminal to clerk prompt. And it's approved. And we press the enter key to clear this and remove the receipt. To void the transaction, you'll hit the purple button labeled More, which is the far left purple button, and select F1 for void. In this case, we can void our last transaction, and here we can see that this is the 1 cent transaction that we just ran, so we'll select yes. If it had been an earlier transaction, we easily could have said no and selected from a list. Now we'll press the enter key and remove our receipt. Now running a refund is similar to running a sale. We're going to again hit the purple button labeled More, select Refund, which is F2, and enter in the amount of the refund. And hit the green key to proceed. We'll here again hit F1 for yes to continue, and we'll enter in the card. You could also key in the card here if you didn't have the card on hand. Once complete and prompted, remove the card and press the green button to get past that prompt. Press any key to continue, and you're done. Now, oftentimes you'll run into problems with these terminals, and you want to do a basic level of troubleshooting. You can power cycle the terminal by flipping it over, and if the back is still on the unit, removing the back here, and simply unplugging the power. After waiting 20 seconds, plug the power back in, flip it over, and it will boot up on its own. Once it's back online, you'll hit Credit Debit EMV, and you should be good to go. If you have any further questions, you can email us at tickets@360-payments.com or chat with us on our website. Have a good day.